Some homes just have that special blend of beautiful land and exceptional heart-expanding design. 2001 Sparrow Valley in Aptos is one of these special ones. Here you'll find a property that was designed as a place to commune with nature. Can you see yourself bathing in the sun on the expansive decks? Can you hear the hummingbirds buzzing all around you? Can you imagine picking fresh avocados, cherries, zapotes, pineapple guavas, and many more subtropicals right out of your very own home orchard? Come see why we're calling this custom, passive solar home a permaculture paradise. Once you get a chance to feel this space and see the great care given to every detail, we think you'll see why this home is one of the special ones. The heavy lifting has been done here. Now is the opportunity for you to dream big. For more information, go to 2001sparrow.com or call us at 831-440-8367. Thank you.